Here's example 3 from our Creating Linear Functions handout. When their daughter Rhonda was studying in Japan, the Ward family enrolled in their phone company's international calling plan with a monthly fee of $4.95 and a cost of 12 cents per minute call. Find the linear function that relates total monthly cost to the number of minutes called in the month. So, linear function, that means it's this value, this expression, y equals mx plus b. And it relates the cost to the number of minutes called. Now, doesn't that seem logical that the y value would be representing the cost and the x value would be representing the minutes? Aren't you going to have to take the number of minutes and multiply them and add something to it in order to determine what the cost was? That makes logical sense, doesn't it? The cost for your phone bill is related to the number of minutes you call. Cost is dependent upon number of minutes you call. Now, what does it say? Well, it says that it costs 12 cents a minute. 12 cents per minute. 12 1/100ths of a dollar per minute. Cost over minutes. That would be change of y over change of x, wouldn't it? So isn't that 12 cents per minute, 12 100ths of a dollar per minute? Isn't that our slope? Wouldn't that be the m value we would use? So in the problem, they gave us the slope value, 12 cents per minute. That's dollars, which is cost, per minute. That's what x represents. That's change of y over change of x. That's the slope, change of y over change of x. And then they also said that there was a monthly fee of $4.95. Well, isn't that monthly fee going to be there whether Rhonda calls 1 minute, 50 minutes, 100 minutes, or no minutes? If some month, if Rhonda didn't call any minutes, isn't the phone company still going to charge her family $4.95? So isn't that the value of the cost when the number of minutes would be 0? Isn't that what the y-intercept is? Or in the business parlance, that's a fixed cost, which we've already talked about. That's a b value in a linear function like this. So in this particular problem, it was scenario number 1. They gave me directly the slope, and they gave me directly the y-intercept. I just had to recognize that from the information in the problem. And I was able to write the function, write the equation. So maybe we would call this, we could call it b of x for their bill, or p of x for their phone bill, whatever you might want to use, or c of x for cost, or y if you don't want to use the function notation. This now could be used to predict the cost of a monthly phone bill depending upon how many minutes Rhonda would call.